Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick but complete 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to find your MailerLite API key, step by step, with zero confusion. Whether you're integrating MailerLite with a website, a marketing app, or a custom tool, this API key is what lets other platforms talk securely with your MailerLite account. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss an important security tip. Log into MailerLite. First, open your browser and head to MailerLite.com. Click the login button in the top right corner. If you usually sign in with Google, click Sign in with Google and enter your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard. Go to Integrations and API. Now, from your dashboard menu, look for Integrations. Click on it. Inside Integrations, find the option simply called API. This is where MailerLite keeps all the tools you need for connecting to other platforms. Generate a new API token. On the API page, click the button that says Generate New Token. MailerLite will ask you to name your token. Choose something descriptive like website integration or Zapier connection so you'll remember what it's for later. Before you can create it, you must check the confirmation box to agree that you've read the API token requirements and terms of use. Then hit Create Token. Secure your API key. Here's the most critical part. MailerLite will instantly generate your API key and show it in a pop-up window. Copy it right away or download it. Store it somewhere safe, like a password manager or an encrypted document. Important: after you close this window, you won't be able to view the key again. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. And that's it. You've successfully found and secured your MailerLite API key in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.